Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2014 Dodge Journey SXT. Under the hood we have a 3.6-liter V6 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy comes in pitch black and it looks fantastic. You do have that chrome accenting on the grille there with the Dodge logo. You do also have halogen headlights right there, and they are very bright with your fog lights just down there. Now coming around the side here, we do also have 17-inch rims here. They look great, and you do have Como brand tires, still lots of tread left on them, and you do have those rims that are very nice and they're accented very nicely against the black. Coming around here, we do have heated exterior mirrors right there, and coming all the way to the back, we do have our SXT logo and the Dodge and the Journey logo, as well as you got your backup camera hanging out there, and you can lift this guy up. There's this guy right here, as long as it's unlocked, opens up just like that. You got some room back here. I forgot to mention you do have your park sensors right there. Now you can open this guy up for a little bit of additional room, or you can pull these and push this forward, and it does fold down just like that. So if you didn't have people sitting back there, you got even more room to haul whatever you might need to. And you do got a little emergency flashlight right there as well. Okay, we got our keys here. So we got 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock, and we do have 2 presses to activate your remote start, which is incredibly nice, especially in the winter. It'll get nice and warm for you, and you won't have to go outside and be cold. It's just a lot better. Now, it does also have proximity keyless entry, so as long as the key is on your person, put your hand in there and it will unlock for you, and you got the button there. If you did want to press it, it will lock it for you. Now, on the door here, we do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks. You got a bit of that chrome accenting here, and the leather here for your armrest, very comfortable. Handle here, and some storage down here with a water bottle holder. The interior is very nice as well, very soft. The cloth is very nice feeling, and it looks really nice with that white and black on there. You do have the controls of your lights here, so you have your auto, your off, your daytime running lights, and your low beams, as well as your fog lights if you press it in cabin light control right there. You got your turning signals, high beam, and windshield wiper, front and back, all right there as well. Now it is a keyless, so all you gotta do is put your foot on the brake, press the button, and as long as the key is on your person or with you in the vehicle, it'll start right up. Now in the center we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. Now in the center we do have how many kilometers, only 58,000, not too many. As well, we do have the speed we're going. We can change that around though, so we can change that to our fuel economy, trip info, tire KPA. You got your vehicle info, messages. You can turn the menu off if it is too bright, and it does also tell you what channel you're on right there. You can change that all from right here, as well as you got your voice recognition, your call out button for your Bluetooth, horn in the center, and your cruise control options on the other side. Over here we do have an 8.4-inch touchscreen display with Uconnect, so you have your AM, your FM, and your Sirius XM all right there, as well as you have your media player if you have one hooked up through aux cord, Bluetooth, or USB, all hanging out in there. You got your options as well. Then you also have your controls, so your outlet and your screen. You have your climate control, so it is a dual climate. You and your passenger can have different levels of heat or cold. You got your navigation here. You can view map. You can see we are in Wreck Place, of course. Then you also got your phone options just over here if you want to hook one up through Bluetooth. Then you also have your more options, your rear entertainment, and your settings. Now down here we do have all sorts of different options. So we do have our hazard lights, AC, circulation, front and rear defrost, and our and our traction control right there. We do also have our volume up and down with the power, the dual climate system, the off, the auto, the power up and down, as well as you have your browser right there. Then you got this guy, which you can plug in a SD card slot for music or whatever. And then you also have a CD player here that also doubles as DVD player. Then down here we do have some storage with a plug-in, cup holders right here, and we also have our gear shift. When you are in reverse, it does give you that backup camera. Looks great, keep you nice and safe. And then right over here we do also have our armrest, which is in leather. You can open that guy up, lots of room in there. You do have your headphones and a remote control in there for the TV in the back. Then you have an aux cord plug-in and a USB plug-in in there as well. And then coming over here we do also have a locking glove box with our owner's manual inside of it. And up top you have the controls over the sunroof, and you also have your sunglass holder. And there is our sunroof. Very nice, lets in lots of light. Okay, let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. Now on the door we have that same chrome accenting. You got a handle here. You have these guys here, which is your control of your windows. That same leather. and some storage with a water bottle holder. Lots of room back here as well. It is the same material as the front, very comfortable. You can pull this guy down just like this if you want an armrest and some cup holders. And then you do have your rear entertainment here. Pull that down just like that. You got a 9-inch screen. Looks great. You can watch a movie or something. You also have the controls over your climate back here. And then right down here we also have some plug-ins for a game system. You also have a plug-in there. And some storage in the floor here. You can access that if you did want. And then you can also just fold this forward just like that. And then you have your 2 seats in the back there with some cup holders as well. And there's our 3.6 liter V6 engine. Well, that was my walk around for the 2014 Dodge Journey SXT. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to one of our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.